Did you know there's a powerful male supplement at the pharmacy that costs less than 10 cents? I'm not exaggerating, just 10 cents. Yet, it can reignite energy, confidence, and vitality in men over 60. What's even more surprising is that most doctors never mention it. No expensive injections, no complicated prescriptions, just a tiny tablet that could change your life. Let me ask you this. When was the last time you woke up feeling truly refreshed? Many men your age sleep for 8 hours but still wake up tired. Afternoon fatigue sets in, and by night all you want is to lie down. You tell yourself it's just aging, but deep down, you know something's missing. That spark, that energy that wants to find you, it's fading. I've met countless men in their 60s whisper the same frustration. Doctor, my body feels fine, but I have no drive left. The truth, it's not your heart, not your prostate. It's your cells crying out for the most overlooked nutrient of all. Vitamin B complex. Today, I'm revealing how this humble generic vitamin, just 10 cents a tablet, has transformed the lives of my patients. Men who once felt powerless now feel decades younger. Their energy returned, their confidence restored, their relationships rekindled. Stay with me until the end, because this might just be the simplest, safest, and most affordable solution you've been searching for all along. Before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another simple, life-changing health tip like this one. And if this message speaks to you, type 1 in the comments to show your support. If you think I can do better, type 0. Your feedback helps me keep improving for you. Alright, let's get into the truth behind this powerful yet overlooked secret. Many men don't realize that their real reason for their fading strength, low energy, and poor circulation isn't age itself. It's a simple vitamin deficiency that slowly drains vitality from every cell in the body. 1. The hidden power of vitamin B complex. Hidden power of vitamin B complex. The 2,000 rupiah secret doctors rarely mention. When I first discovered this little secret, I almost couldn't believe it myself. A small tablet sitting quietly on the dusty shelf of a neighborhood pharmacy, costing no more than 200 rupiah, barely the price of a cup of coffee, yet holding the power to completely change how a man over 60 feels every single day. No flashy packaging, no celebrity endorsements, no exaggerated promises, just a simple, humble vitamin B complex. I remember the first time I recommended it to one of my patients. A retired school principal named Mr. Saturno. He came into my clinic looking defeated with heavy eyes and slow movements. Doctor, he said, I feel like an old car with a good engine but no fuel. His test results were perfect, blood sugar normal, cholesterol under control, heart healthy. Even his prostate was fine, yet he felt constantly exhausted, unmotivated, and disconnected. And I knew exactly what was missing. At his age, his body's ability to absorb vitamin B had dropped dramatically, nearly 40% lower than it was in his younger years. To make matters worse, some of the medications he took every day, like metformin for diabetes or acid blockers for his stomach, were quietly interfering with the little vitamin fat still managed to enter his system. The result, his cells were starving for the very ingredient they needed to produce energy. His body had the machinery, but no spark to ignite it. That's where vitamin B complex steps in. Each tiny tablet contains a blend of B1, B2, B3, B6, B12, and folate, each one playing a vital role in energy metabolism, nerve health, and hormone balance. Think of them as the mechanics of your body's engine, tuning up each part so it runs smoothly again. Within just a few weeks, something remarkable happens. The brain feels sharper. The muscles respond quicker and the entire system starts to hum with life again. When Mr. Sutrishno returned 3 weeks later, his smile said everything. He looked years younger. Doctor, he laughed. I feel like someone replaced my batteries. And I couldn't help but smile back because I'd seen it before dozens of times. These results are Reddit magic. They're biology. When your body gets the nutrients it's been silently craving, it rewards you with energy, clarity, and a renewed sense of vitality that no expensive pill can fake. I've seen this transformation over and over. Men who once accepted fatigue and weakness as a normal part of aging, suddenly realizing that feeling old isn't destiny, it's chemistry. When your cells are properly fueled, you'll discover the version of yourself you thought was gone for good. The man who wakes up early, walks tall, laughs easily, and looks at his wife with warmth again. And here's what makes it even more surprising. That same vitamin B complex tablet doesn't just restore energy, it quietly repairs something far more intimate, something every man notices but few dare to talk about. Because when your blood flow improves and your hormones rebalance, another kind of strength begins to return. One that ignites confidence, passion, and connection in ways most men never expect. Let's talk about that next. Restoring blood flow and male vitality too. Restoring blood flow and male vitality. How vitamin B complex works like nature's own plumber. I'll never forget the look on Mr. Aga's face the day he returned to my clinic. He's a 62-year-old retired bank officer from Bandung, a man who once described himself as running on empty. But that day his cheeks had color again, his posture was straighter, and his grin was almost mischievous. "Doctor," he said, trying to hide his excitement. "My wife says I'm like a newlywed again." His secret? 3 weeks of a simple, inexpensive vitamin B complex. No blue pills, no injections, just nature restored. Here's what most men don't realize. The first thing vitamin B complex repairs isn't your muscles or your nerves, it's your blood flow. Especially vitamin B3, also known as niacin. Think of it as a plumber for your circulatory system. Over the years, cholesterol, stress, and poor diet narrow your pipes, making it harder for oxygen and nutrients to reach your organs. Yes, including the one that defines manhood. Niacin gently widens those blood vessels, cleans out blockages, and improves elasticity, allowing blood to move freely again. For many of my patients, it's like opening a long, clogged faucet and watching seawater finally gush out. That improved circulation doesn't just energize your muscles. It reawakens the intimate part of your body that many men thought was gone forever. When the blood flow returns, sensitivity returns, warmth returns, connection returns. One of my patients, a 67-year-old former soldier named Mr. Bambal, told me that after 2 months of consistent use, he felt as if his body had turned back the clock 10 years. "Doctor," he said, eyes glistening, "my wife looks at me differently now. She says I'm more attentive, more alive." That's not coincidence. That's the quiet work of B vitamins, especially B6, which helps our body restore testosterone naturally. Most men don't know that after the age of 40, testosterone levels decline by about 1% per year. By the time you reach 60, you've lost nearly 20% of the hormone that drives your vitality, confidence, and masculine energy. Vitamin B6 supports the enzymes that regulate this hormone, helping your body produce what it's missing, not through chemicals, but through balance. It's not about becoming someone new. It's about becoming yourself again. And here's what makes this truly beautiful. When your blood flow improves and your hormones find equilibrium, the effects ripple through your entire life. You sleep better. You laugh more easily. You feel present again. You stop dragging yourself through the day and start living it. This is what I love most about my work. Not just treating illness, but witnessing rebirth. Because when a man rediscovers his vitality, he doesn't just heal his body. He heals his relationships, his purpose, and his joy. But what if I told you that this same little vitamin, this tablet worth barely 2,000 rupiah, can also repair the nervous system itself, reigniting sensitivity and control in ways that many men believe are lost forever? The answer to that might surprise you even more. Let's talk about it next. 3. Repairing the nerves and bringing back sensation. Repairing the nerves and bringing back sensation. The magic of vitamin B12. There's something deeply moving about watching a man rediscover parts of himself he thought were gone forever. I remember one of my patients, Mr. Hendra, a 68-year-old retired soldier from East Jakarta. When he first came to see me, he sat quietly for a moment before finally saying, "Doctor, it's been over a year. I can't feel anything down there. It's like my body forgot what it means to be alive." His voice trembled slightly, and I could tell it wasn't just about physical loss. It was about the quiet erosion of confidence, of identity. For many men, that kind of numbness isn't just in the body. It creeps into the soul. So I looked him in the eye and said, "Mr. Hendra, your body isn't broken, it's just asking for the right tools to heal." And that tool, surprisingly, came in the form of a small tablet containing vitamin B12. This particular vitamin is like an electrician for your nervous system. It helps repair the insulation called the myelin sheath that covers your nerve fibers. With age, and often with high blood sugar or long-term medication use, that insulation wears thin like an old electrical wire whose coating has cracked. Signals slow down or get lost completely, leaving parts of the body unresponsive. Vitamin B12 doesn't work overnight. But when taken consistently, it begins rebuilding those tiny, delicate fibers that carry sensation from your skin, your muscles, and yes, even your most private parts back to your brain. About 6 weeks later, Mr. Hendra came back. This time, his F.